Good day, my name is Robert Farrell. Give me just 5 minutes of your time, and I'm going to share with you the power of coffee marketing. Now, coffee marketing has nothing really to do with marketing coffee. It's how to grow your list, how to drive traffic. So let's think about something. Do you know there's over 450 million cups of coffee drank every day in America? So I'm going to share with you that this 1 cup of coffee made me over $700,000 last year across all product spectrums. So sit back, relax, and let me share with you how this is done. So one thing I want to share with you is I own hundreds of websites. I have thousands of students that I've curated since 1995. In fact, I have over 57,000 online students. Now, it didn't happen overnight. It was a slow grind. I started with 20 students and 50 students and just built up. What I want to share with you is regardless of the niche, name a niche, I have websites over about 72 different niches. But here's what you're not thinking about. Every single one of those niches, I don't care if it's a recipe website, a politics website, a travel website, every single one of my websites has a link to coffee, tea, snacks, or beverages. Why? Because everybody that I know that lives and breathes drinks coffee, tea, snacks, beverages. One of those things, water, etc., etc. So it's Working Smart 101. So let me share with you and take you through one of my coffee websites and share with you how you can make stupid money simply with Working Smart online. So stay tuned. So let me now take you through my coffee store and how I work smart and how my other students work smart one step at a time. Now, my web stores are WordPress based, but the cool thing about them, they come with tons of premium software, premium themes, including Thrive Theme Architect, the pro version of Elementor Pro, pro version of Thirsty Affiliates, pro version of Yoast SEO. So I pulled out all the stops, complete turnkey, design the site any way you want, but if everything's included, hosting, using Lightspeed technology, domain names. I have over 25, 30 different coffee domain names that you can use. This is a Working Smart turnkey solution. So watch how it's set up. Now, this is how I like to do my landing page. You can do your landing page any way you choose. I'm going to click here and go into the site. Now, one thing you'll notice about my websites, it's not salesy. The first thing you'll actually see is coffee recipes. Okay, you'll also see workout videos. Now you might ask yourself, Robert, what the heck do workout videos have to do with the coffee website? Well, let's think about what's going on in the world right now. Okay, we're all locked down because of COVID, because of the coronavirus. People need a one-stop shop where they can work out, buy coffee, get other things. And let me share with you more of my website and how I earn money online, working smart the right way. So again, you can set this up any way you choose, but I have headline news, I have recipes, I have a place to shop, kitchen gadget, treadmills, workout gear, kitchen gadget reviews, home fitness, fitness reviews. Now, where do I get all this content? I get the content from the number 2 search engine, which is YouTube. My backend software is curated to bring in YouTube videos based on keywords. It's 100% working smart. Click right here and I want to basically see coffee recipes. This is something I want you to get excited about. This is exactly how you're going to work smart with social media. So most people, I want to share something with you. 4 summers ago, I gave a lecture to 2,800 marketers in Phuket, Thailand. The first thing I did when I took the stage was stop selling. Yes, people don't want to be sold. They want to be offered value. So let me share with you how I can use the power of coffee to drive traffic from your social media onto your website. Now let me explain to you where most marketers fail, and fail big time. Okay, they're an affiliate for Amazon, Walmart, Dick's Sporting Goods, etc., etc. The first thing they want to do, their lizard brain, is telling them, oh, I'm going to post these products on my social media. Wrong, not going to work. In fact, you'll probably get banned from Facebook and others by doing that because they don't want affiliate links on their website. So here's where you work smart. If you want to sell coffee, or coffee products. Do not post coffee recipes. Where do you get these recipes? From YouTube. My software does that for you by simply putting in keywords. So watch this. Now, what I'm going to share with you is absolutely working smart, because you're not selling, you're engaging, you're offering value. So if I wanted to share this video to draw traffic to my website with a recipe, first of all, here's what you want to do. You want to have a separate Facebook page that specializes in recipes. You do not want to clutter up your own personal Facebook page. So if you have 5 different websites, niche websites, you want to have 5 different Facebook niche pages. That's Working Smart 101. So watch how this is done. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click and I want to share this on my social media. I simply right here and I'm going to put this in my social media page, not my profile page. Now, here's what I suggest you do if you want to work smart. Ask an engaging question. If it's a recipe, ask something like, hey, have you tried this recipe before? Or you have your own family recipe for coffee. And I always put some kind of hashtag in there. Hashtag, coffee recipes. Hashtag summer coffee recipes, etc., etc. Now, when the person clicks on that video from your Facebook page, from your Instagram page, it's not going to take you to YouTube. It's going to take you to your website. And that's how you draw traffic, and that's how you work smart. Now, here's another thing I want to share with you. I use a plugin called Thirsty Affiliates. So in the description of the video, notice there's the word coffee. When they click on the word coffee, it's going to take them to the Amazon website. And from Amazon, they can buy whatever they want. Now, whether or not you're aware of this, this is cool. Whether or not you buy coffee from Amazon or not, anytime in the next 24 hours, whatever your buyer views from your website and goes to Amazon within the next 24 hours, you're going to get paid. Even if they quit their browser, they go to Amazon the next day, directly to Amazon, you're still going to get paid for anything they buy. So if they decide to buy a grandma gift or a wedding gift or anything they buy, you're going to get paid because they initiated the sale from your website. And that's working smart, my friends. So I hope this technique of coffee marketing is starting to make sense. Now, as great as it is to be an affiliate for Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, all that stuff, they don't pay as much. So let me share with you how you can make stupid over-the-top money by sharing my platform. And let me share with you how that can be done very simply. Now, if you're tired of chasing shiny objects and you finally want to work smart using the power of coffee to drive traffic. So let's think about this before we go. Okay, yeah, we don't want to sell the iPhone and the computers and the expensive trips to Europe, etc., etc. But most people want to drive traffic. You want to drive traffic with low-hanging fruit, and that's coffee, tea, snacks, beverages, toilet paper, hand sanitizer. That's what's going to get people to come to your site. Once they're on your site, sell them the store. So the next step is to go to my website, and let me share with you what you want to do next. So on my coffee shop website, okay, you'll have more videos. In fact, I have a roadmap of how you can make 6 figures a year plus watching this tutorial video. Now, here's my domain name list. So if you click here, you'll have access to these domain. So you can be your name or your brand, .imported coffee, I love coffee, coffee.momclub. There's over 25 domain names you'll have access to, complete turnkey. Now, here's the exciting part. I will give you $100 off for a yearly subscription to my turnkey system. All you have to do is click the ad and the coupon will be applied automatically at checkout. There's nothing more you need to do. I have software that's smart software with coupons that will automatically apply a 100% discount. Engage with my website. If you're tired of basically chasing shiny objects, get rich quick schemes, and all this other stuff, let me share with you how to finally work smart. I don't care what your niche is. You can basically draw traffic using coffee, tea, snacks, and my websites. Talk to you soon. My name is Robert Farrell. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Carpe Diem 2020. Let's get on the ball, roll up our sleeves, have a beverage, and finally learn how to work smart with the power of coffee and coffee marketing.